Hello, thank you for watching. If you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate very much. Thank you very much for watching. So I'm waiting on the studs for exhaust for everyone. You'll see that again. So this is another 630, but it's a plain one, not a super, I think. I've looked now at the plate and it's a 625. So the problem is, the chain was turning all the time. When you put the brake on, it would strain the engine and then stall it. So the clutch is engaging when it's not supposed to, would take over. So it's sticking all the time. So it, I guess it'd probably be something rust around or maybe springs broken. It comes out, lower revs then. So we'll have a look now. I haven't taken off yet. There's a lot of wood in it. A lot of wood in the clutch here, but bearing hasn't gone. Doesn't look rusty, so it's looks like it just needs a clean out. Looks like this fat needs a clean out, so it'll be a nice easy job now. So I wanted to show you what I saw for the first time really. Sure, is a bit less a gap, more gap at top maybe. Sure, I have to have a look at this. So I've taken compressor and blown this out. I also took time to scrape inside the bar because it's full of sawdust and clean out the oil ways then. And I blew around this. Still a bit left, but the compressor ran out there. So I'll put it back and see if that works. It's a bit of wear on this brake. That basically just holds onto drum there and this can spin freely inside. So how this works, and the spring keeps these three bits inside. And when you rev it up, centrifugal force sends those out and grips this and turns the chain. So take over, this should just turn free like that. And the brake, holds onto this so it can't turn. So I'll put it back together and start it up and see if it cured it. Must have, it looks right otherwise. I've looked down at the same gap right round and it looks right actually. So that should have cured it now. So we haven't solved the problem yet. Probably a problem that maybe the spring has gone weak in the clutch and I've looked now at the plate and it's a 625. So I know probably clutch gone. So I'll have to order some bits now because the bearing looked right for the drum and it wasn't catching and it wasn't rusty, so must be actually. So I've taken the clutch off with impact right loose in, and there's a bit of drag on it. The bearing wasn't gone, but there was a bit of drag. Bearing looks alright, but show shaft now. The crankshaft there looks a bit rusty, so I've got some fine sandpaper and some WD-40 to polish it up. Hopefully that solves it then. Just sanded a bit more in, but I sanded that now, and the little plastic driver, it's all melted and see his little ring there, like worn and melted, so this might have been holding onto it. And the driver themselves, they're a bit gone, and threads are right. Happened to be I'd ordered this for the 630 and it's the same. So the 631 is good, so I'm going to use this on this one now. Just in case this was, yeah, it's grabbing a bit onto the shaft. There's a bit of resistance there. Yeah, that was grabbing a bit as well. So I'll change it now. Okay. I've just put a smidge of high temp grease in there, just so it's a bit wet. Okay. Clutch. Remember left hand thread, so bit tighter now, and I'll put it back and we'll try it again. So that didn't solve anything. What I did was I have a 613 bit stove to get out of oil pump. So it is a different style of clutch, but it fits the same. I looked now, the same size. So I tried it on, works. So it must be the spring is weak then. Looks a bit weak anyway. So it must have been a problem, because it's fine now. It isn't running all the time. These have gone weak, so it's coming out at any revs, you know. Great success.